Welcome to the Riverside Training Facility. I'm Lieutenant Sonny Bonds. I'll be observing your practice run from the catwalks and giving you a few pointers about our procedures. I'm sure you've heard all of this before, but it never hurts to practice one more time. As you know, training is what gives SWAT the edge in the field. Take advantage of this facility to test out your weapons and meet your new team. When you're ready to start, just go through the door to the right of the chalkboard. This is the firing range. Firearm proficiency is a top priority for any SWAT officer. But never forget that SWAT is a life-saving organization. You are only authorized to fire in defense of life. Step up to the station on the far left and take A good thing to practice is the so-called failure drill. That's when you take 2 shots at the body and then 1 at the head. When you're finished with that, step up to the center station. Your pistol is your backup weapon, usually used when you're in a bind or don't have time to reload. At this range, pistols and shotguns become less accurate, and it's often best to use a submachine gun or an assault rifle. Equip your primary weapon and take some shots at this mid-range target. Submachine guns and rifles have multiple firing modes, ranging from single shot to full automatic. The M4 fires in semi and full auto modes, while the submachine gun has semi-auto and a 3-round burst. At long range, accuracy becomes imperative.
On the ground,
your ability
now!
to control your weapon with skill and discipline will save your life, and the lives of the people around you. If you set the M4 on full auto, you will quickly... Give it a try now. Set your M4 to full auto, and try to fire several short, controlled bursts. When you're finished on the range, move through the door. Now you can see how hard it can be to record and remain accurate at this range. Not bad. Remember, you're most accurate when you have a strong and stable firing position. When you try to move and shoot, your accuracy is going to suffer. The faster you move, the worse your aim will be. Your accuracy will be highest when you're standing still and crouching. This portion of the range is for firing at multiple targets behind cover. Try moving and firing at them to get a sense of just how movements affect your accuracy. When you must move and fire, keep in mind that moving smoothly at a constant speed will give you better control over your weapon. Remember, smooth is fast, smooth is accurate. When you're done, go through the door to the right. Welcome to the grenade range. Practice throwing your non-lethal grenades for a while. You can test your accuracy by throwing them through the windows on the structure. You can also test their bangs are designed to disorient people with a very loud bang and an extremely bright bang. If you don't look away from the detonation, you can get blinded too. CS gas causes people's eyes to water and affects their breathing. It makes it difficult for them to do anything other than cough for a short period of time. Help their targets with rubber balls that stun and disorient them. Great. Let's continue.
There's the door.
Go ahead and try this door. Uh-huh. I locked it before you got here. We have multiple tools for handling a locked door. The first is picking it. Good when you want your entry to an area to be quiet. Pull out your toolkit and use it to pick the lock. Nice work. Move on to the next door. We'll use a brief... Okay, we're going all out on this one. Pull out your C2 charge, and let's blow this thing open. C2 is great for opening doors quickly and surprising the perps on the other side. This is a two-step process. First, set the charge above the door. Now stand back and blow it. Nice. I never get tired of that. You do need to be careful. Put your hands up and just get out of here. Was smart enough to give up for you. But the perps, and sometimes even the victims, don't give up that easily. You are authorized to take down anyone who's aiming a weapon at you or another person. But remember, you should fire your weapon only in defense of life. If a subject hasn't given up, but isn't threatening anyone, use your other options. You can hit them with the less lethal shotgun, zap them with the taser, pepper spray them, or use one of your grenades. That will give even the biggest knucklehead second thoughts about resisting. Now that Hansen has given up, you need to restrain him. At an incident scene, you will need to restrain everyone you find, since you can never be 100% sure who's
Why
a
are you
victim
treating me
and who's
like a
perp.
criminal?
Entry team to talk. Civilian ready to
He's a
evacuate.
transfer from LA.
Copy. We'll be ready for you.
Top notch.
If you're going to lead a tactical element, you better start working with them.
I hear they get
The team is in the room to the right. Order them
That's why
to
they're the
fall
best.
in. And let's see
Guess
how
we'll
you
be in
work.
good hands then.
You won't be in anybody's hands if you don't pipe down. Well, the team is
Gold.
eager to meet you, so let's get going. Move into the next room.
Gold. Regroup and stand by to move.
Nice to
way.
meet you, too.
In
I
position.
don't think I quite heard you, Fields. What did you say?
Nothing, sir.
Fields
Open and
here
clear.
has a big
Move when
mouth.
ready.
But you'll be glad he's around with the high brass. Okay, let's see if you guys can clear a room. Order the team to clear the room behind me.
It's clear.
It's clear.
Beware of doorways.
It's clear.
Most SWAT fatalities occur when the team is ambushed as they come through the door. Deploying a grenade into the doorway
Red team.
will buy your
Open and
team
clear.
time
Bang
to
it.
clear the threat. No, that's not right. One more time.
Blue. Bang it. Go when ready.
No, that's not right. One more time.
Gold. Bang and clear.
Roger that, sir.
Time to move. Go!
All right. Behind these
No
tires,
visible
there's an
threats.
open doorway.
Moving on.
It's
In
often
position,
best to
clear.
scout out
Jackson,
a
room clear,
It's
clear.
Back in the day, we used a mirror on a
Keep
stick.
clearing.
Simple, but effective. Nowadays, there's a high-tech gadget for everything.
Stay
For
with me.
corners and
I'm
open
on
doors,
point.
we have the Opta-Wand.
On your six.
The Opta-Wand's a tiny camera at the end of a telescoping tube. You can even use it to peer under a closed door to scope out a room before you enter it. Use the Opta-Wand on this doorway to scout out what's ahead. You should be
Some
able to
eyes in
stand
there.
on your side of the door and stick the wand through the doorway without entering the room. When you've finished with the wand, tell the element to clear the room.
Clear that room. Got it.
Move it, guys! No visible threats.
No one here.
Continuing.
It's clear.
Gerard,
Reynolds,
clear.
I'm clear.
You now have two possible directions. When the team discovers a hallway while clearing, they will enter it and wait for you. This prevents the team from becoming overextended. Have them fall in, and then move up to the intersection.
What the hell was that for?
Red. Get in position. Check the door.
That's not what I asked.
Blue team.
Try
Get ready
again.
on the door. Check it.
Fine, wise guy. Figure it out yourself.
Red team. Stack up. Try the lock.
Fine, wise guy. Figure it out yourself.
Gold. Regroup. Be ready to move.
Fine, wise guy. Figure it out yourself.
Get in position. Check the door.
Fine, wise guy. Figure it out yourself.
Blue, stack up and check the lock.
Right on.
Good. Now tell the red team to fall in and move down to the other
Red,
door.
fall in on me.
Roger. Moving to you.
With you, sir.
Okay. You can keep tabs on your officers when you're separated from them by observing their movements through the helmet cameras. Check out what Blue is seeing right now. When you're ready, move into the next room, and then we'll start getting fancy.
Behind me.
At your back, sir.
Since you can essentially see through their eyes, it's not hard to command them from a distance. Tell the blue team to move and clear through the door they're covering.
Blue team, regroup on me.
No, that's not right. One more time.
Keep it moving. Clear it.
Not that one, you knucklehead.
Get her open and clear it.
That's not what I asked. Try again.
Open and clear.
Time to move. Go, go, go! Clear so far. Follow your walls.
It's
clear.
Great. Let's continue.
어렵습니다.
Gold, open and clear. Go when ready. Behind me. Right on.
Hold up there. One of the most valuable members of your team is the sniper. During the
With you.
course of a mission, they will provide valuable intel and can even take out a bad guy without the team ever getting in harm's way. Sierra 1 is across the... When you're finished, continue up and go into the room with the target dummy.
Sweet.
Well,
Donuts.
that's it
Nobody
for the
told me
refresher
there'd be
course I had
donuts.
planned for you.
How can
Just
you
the
eat that
highlights,
trash,
of course.
man?
But you'll
That
be
crap
able
will
to
slow you
handle
down in
things
the
from here
field.
on out.
At least
When
there's
you're
more to
ready
his
for
diet
active
than just
duty,
meat.
Just use that
Don't
door
knock it
to
till you
leave.
tried it, bro.
Otherwise, go ahead and roam about on your own, or continue training with the team.
Get down! Hands in the air!